Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update WD dashboard for Drive Diagnostics, full guide step by step clearly. To begin updating the WD dashboard, first, ensure that your computer is connected to the internet. Next, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in WD dashboard download and press enter. Locate the official Western Digital website from the search results. Click on the link to the WD dashboard page. Once the page loads, look for the download section. Select the appropriate version of the WD dashboard for your operating system. Click the download button to initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Locate the WD dashboard installation file. Double-click on the installation file to launch the setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. If prompted, agree to the terms and conditions. Choose the installation location or simply use the default. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, you can open the WD dashboard from your applications list. After launching the application, it may prompt you to check for updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Once the update process is completed, the dashboard will refresh. You can now use the updated WD dashboard for your Drive Diagnostics. To ensure optimal performance, periodically check for updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.